Sometime your talents becomes your enemy. कभी कभी आपकी मेहनत आपके लिए खतरा बन जाता है. And sometime the person you impress the most is the same person who start to dislike you the most. Not because you did anything wrong, but because your brilliance made them feel small. और उन्हें लगा आप उनसे ज्यादा चमक रहे हो. This is law 1 of power. Never outshine the master. Before we understanding this law, we must understand one important part of human nature. Insecurity. No one taught us insecurity. No one explained it. Yet it has been inside us since childhood. Did you remember when your mother picked up another child, you started crying? That was your insecurity activating. Believe it or not, you already know this is true. 98% of people in the world are insecure. Only 2% people know how to deal with, and most of the time in life you will have to deal with 98%. Imagine this, there was a young man named Arjun, hardworking, intelligent, honest, a perfect employee जिसे हर कंपनी प्राउड फील करे. Above Arjun was his manager Mr. Khanna, a man who loved praise, जिसको अटेंशन पसंद था. He always wanted to look like the smartest person in the room. In the beginning, Mr. Khanna liked Arjun. Arjun helped the team and completed the every task perfectly. Slowly, people began noticing Arjun. Cafeteria में लोग कहने लगे, Arjun is a brilliant. Arjun saved the project. Arjun should be promoted. Mr. Khanna heard every word and every compliment for Arjun. Mr. Khanna felt like personal insult. Then came the big day. A presentation in front of the director. Arjun spoke confidently. His slides were polished. Arjun's ideas was fresh and impressive. And when he finished, the entire room clapped for him. Everyone except Mr. Khanna. In that moment, Mr. Khanna thought, if Arjun looks better than me, what happens to my image, my power, my authority? And guess what? अगली सुबह Mr. Khanna बदल गए थे. He gave Arjun meaningless task. उसकी मेहनत को पूरी तरह से इग्नोर करने लगे थे. He started speaking rudely in front of others. He even tried to steal Arjun's credit. Arjun was confused. He didn't cheat. He didn't lie. He didn't break any rule. फिर भी he was punished for one thing. He made his boss feel less powerful. That was his only mistake. He broke law 1. Never outshine the master. So what does this really mean? When you work under someone, a teacher, a leader, a senior, a professor, their biggest need is respect. उन्हें important feel करना होता है, उन्हें control चाहिए होता है. But when you look too perfect, too fast, too smart, their ego feels threatened. और जब ego को चोट लगती है, लोग लॉजिक से नहीं इमोशन से रिएक्ट करते हैं. दैट इज वाई पावर इज नॉट जस्ट स्किल, इट इज साइकोलॉजी. सो व्हाट शुड यू डू? बी एक्सीलेंट बट लेट देम फील दे आर गाइडिंग यू. शाइन बट लेट देम थिंक दे हेल्प्ड यू शाइन. ग्रो बट ग्रो इन अ वे दैट डजंट हर्ट देयर प्राइड. जब उन्हें सेफ फील होता है, यू राइज फास्टर. व्हेन दे फील वैल्यूड, दे लिफ्ट यू हायर. This is not manipulation, यह emotional intelligence है. This rule exists everywhere, in office, families, school, business, politics. दुनिया talent को पसंद करती है, but the world reward wisdom. Smart people rise quickly, wise people rise safely. A wise person know when to push forward and when to step back. Power is not about the shining the brightest. It's about shining without creating enemies. Remember, your rise should not scare the person above you. आपकी ग्रोथ उनके ईगो को थ्रेटन नहीं करना चाहिए. Shine but softly, grow but silently, win but wisely. Because when you master this law, no one, absolutely no one can stop your rise.